In Your Face interrupts your workflow by showing a full-screen alert when it is time to go to a meeting or join a video conference. In this video we will show you installation, setup and basic usage of the app. Download In Your Face from the Mac App Store and launch the app. In Your Face connects to the macOS Calendar and Reminders apps in order to gather all the necessary information about your events. So the first time you start the app, macOS will ask you for permission to access your calendars and reminders. After that, you will see the welcome window where you can do the initial setup. Unlock the premium subscription or continue for free with a limited feature set. Then select all the calendars for which In Your Face should show you alerts. Finally, choose to automatically launch In Your Face when you start your computer. There are also some additional options to customize which events will be shown. You can go back and change these anytime in the app settings. As you can see, In Your Face lives in your menu bar. Clicking on the hand icon opens the menu from where you can access all of the app's features. In Your Face will now monitor your selected calendars for events. When it is time to go to the meeting, it will interrupt whatever you are currently doing by showing a full-screen alert. The alert shows you the most important data about the event, such as the title, scheduled start and end time, how long until the event starts, and the event's location. If the event has any notes, you can view them by pressing the Notes button. In case you are not quite ready yet, you can click one of the snooze buttons and be reminded about the event again later. If the event contains a link to a video call, the alert will show a camera button with which you can instantly join the call. The In Your Face menu shows your upcoming events. You can switch between events in the next 7 days and only today's events. The camera icon indicates a video conference link. Click an event to preview it. The menu also shows any currently ongoing events, with the possibility to directly join a video call by just clicking the event.